Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to turn on a smartwatch Y68. We see our watch turned off. To turn on our smartwatch, we will hold down the central button for a few seconds. We will see that after a few seconds, our smartwatch turns on normally and we can use it regularly. In case it does not turn on, try charging it in case the low battery level prevents it from turning on. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.